Picture this. It's a dark, tense night. Jesus has been arrested, and Peter, one of his closest friends, is outside the high priest's house, trying to stay near but overwhelmed with fear. He is asked 3 times if he is a follower of Jesus. Each time, a mix of fear, panic, and desperation grips him. Peter's heart pounds as he denies his connection to Jesus. The first denial is made with trembling lips, his eyes darting around, desperate to avoid the looming danger. The second denial comes with a deep, choking sob, a tear escaping as he tries to convince himself as much as others. By the third denial, his voice is strained and broken, a painful cry of self-preservation that only deepens his inner torment. At the sound of the rooster crowing, Peter's eye locked with Jesus, and his heart shatters. The guilt is overwhelming, a suffocating wave of regret and sorrow. He runs outside, consumed by despair, and weeps bitterly, feeling as if his entire world has collapsed. But here's where the story turns from despair to hope. After Jesus' resurrection, he seeks out Peter with a message of forgiveness and restoration. Can you imagine the emotional turmoil and hope Peter felt when Jesus approached him? Instead of condemnation, Jesus offered redemption. Jesus asked Peter 3 times, "Do you love me?" Each time, Peter responds with heartfelt affirmation, and Jesus entrusts him with a new mission: feed my sheep. This was not just forgiveness, it was a chance to begin anew, to transform Peter's regret into a powerful purpose. So how can we deal with our own regrets according to the Bible? First, acknowledge your mistakes, just as Peter did. Second, embrace the forgiveness God offers. And finally, move forward with renewed purpose. Remember, no matter how deep you regret, there's always a path to healing and renewal. If this story touched you, it's a reminder of the power of grace, a lesson we all can carry with us. Thank you for joining me on Peaceful Mind TV.